Hello, it's Rachel, and today's project is a thank you card which uses the Zella Teal paper collection. To start with, I've cut out a piece of patterned paper for the background, and I've also used the same patterned paper to cut out some letters, in this case using a Tim Holtz die. Next, I'm creating some layering pieces of paper, and I'm colouring these using the Alchemy paint in light patina. I'm also using a mixed media brush. This is a 3/4 inch flat brush. Now I'm edging the patterned paper and the letters with some archival ink, and this is just to create a small border and frame the pieces. Once I've prepared all the layers for the card, I'm adding double-sided tape to the back of them and using this to adhere them together. I also use a Zig 2A glue pen to attach the die-cut letters to the front of the card. Once I've finished adhering the die-cut letters, I decided to add some splatters of the Alchemy paint in the light patina to add a little bit more interest to some of those more open white areas. Next, I'm going to embellish the front of the card. First of all, I've selected some tiny little hearts from the Traveller's Journal collection, but these actually go very well with the Zella Teal collection, so you can mix and match a lot of these different products. These are on 3D foam, so they add a little bit of dimension, and then I also add some Prima flowers and later some sparkly gems. And this is the kind of project that you can either leave quite plain and flat if you need to mail it, or that you can see what you've got in your stash and just add a variety of different things to make the card more interesting. And that was the last step in today's project. I hope you enjoyed watching. And on behalf of Prima, I'd like to wish everyone a very happy, healthy and creative new year.